मग टाकलायचं मॅडम तसं व्हिडिओ.
स्लाइड दिसते का वैष्णवी?
हो दिसते मिस.
काहीच नाही करायचं, हेच करायचं. हे होतंय
दाबून देऊ का?
थोडं थोडं. हा बांध दिसतोय काळा तुम्हाला वरती, तुम्हाला जे जे घ्यायचंय तिथपर्यंत यायचं आणि थांबायचं. आता सुरुवातीला
म्हटले
ते सगळंच दिसतंय त्यांना आता.
बर आलेत का सगळे?
आता तुम्ही फक्त याच्यावरती क्लिक करायचे बस. बस आणि
त्याच्यावर क्लिक करून वर डब्ल्यू लिहिले त्याच्यावर
बस.
अरे आलेत का सगळे? हॅलो
हॅलो.
हा आलेत का सगळे?
8 जण येत आता मॅम.
मगाशी किती होते?
मगाशी होते, जास्त होते.
आता कुठे गेले?
काय माहित, मेसेज केलाय होतील जॉईन.
अनुश्री बाहेर गेलीये.
सुरुवात करूया आपण.
येस मॅम.
10 जणच आहेत मॅडम. 10 का 11 जण. Now we start paper number 15. Name of the paper, Applied Zoology Second. BJT 703. Number of the paper or code 603. Applied Zoology Second. In that, my topic, pearl culture. Unit number 3. Then freshwater prawn culture. Then fish technology. And last unit, production and marketing milk products. This is my syllabus in semester. Now we start pearl culture. Pearl culture. Pearl, there is a source of attraction of ladies and gents. Pearls have been rare and one of the most valuable objects for people. Pearls have always attracted businessmen, doctors, kings for their price, medicinal value, and luster. It ranks high amongst the all animal products. So pearl produced by special kinds of mollusk. These are called pearl oyster. This pearl oyster, it is a small bivalve shell living in a seawater or marine water. They are found in undisturbed areas of the sea and away from the coast at a depth of 10 to 15 fathoms. Fathom, it is the unit of length in the marine water. 1 fathom means 1.8 meters. Then all the pearl oysters are not able to produce pearl. What is the pearl? It is a small 100 mm diameter, rounded, white, pinkish, yellowish or bluish colored calcareous product. In most of the cases, the outer structure may be rounded, but in general dish-shaped and distorted. Some of these pearls are found. Rounded pearls, these are supposed to be the best. Then nucleus of this pearl, it may contain foreign objects of different natures. It is a simple deposition of calcium carbonate. The quality of pearls and its cost depends upon the nucleus of the pearls, along with pearls and its luster, along with the shape and size. So pearl formation, it is a rare and accidental phenomenon which takes about 2 to 6 years. Single pearl takes about, attaining the good diameter, it is about 2 to 6 years. And pearls develop within span of 3 to 4 years. These are the very good and good luster. Pearls cannot be produced in all the ocean. They are found only warmer part of the world, inhabit the warm water oceans. Common, for example, in the common Indian Ocean, Japan, Pakistan, pearl production, Japan is the most advanced country. In India, it is Mannar, then also Kanyakumari, Rameshwaram. In that, some of the selected species, Pinctada pucata, Pinctada vulgaris, Pinctada chemnitis, Margaritifera, then Pinctada anemoides, then Atropurpurea. These are the common pearl producing pearl oysters. Then some of this pearl oyster produces inferior grade of pearl. This does not have economic value. For example, Heliatus and Placenta placenta, it is the variety which produces inferior grade of pearl. Then Pinctada maxima and Pinctada margaritifera, these are the bigger size pearl and much healthier pearls produce. So size of the pearls, it depends upon size of foreign particles. Also health and age of the pearl oyster, and also condition of the marine water. A smaller nucleus inside the mantle, it requires more deposition compared with the bigger nucleus. Shape of foreign particles also responsible for the shape of pearl. So healthy oyster will produce more calcium carbonate as compared with weak and young oyster. At the same time, also temperature of water current activates the oyster. If there is a temperature varies periodically, then development of pearl oyster, it is affected and also affect the pearl formation. So this is the meaning of pearl. The word pearl, it is derived from Latin word perula, which means pear, and it is accordance to the pear shaped of the pearls. The beauty of pearl is object of adoration and barometer of wealth. Adoration means deep love and respect, and it is the barometer of wealth, Srimanticha Lakshan. Pearl is counted among the 9 gems and needs no cutting or polishing to bring out its luster. It is, there is one of the gem, there is no need cutting or polishing. Slide diste ka? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. This is slide.
All over the world, pearl has been subject of folklore. Folklore means लोक साहित्यात आतापर्यंतच्या रेकॉर्ड मध्ये, वर्ड बुक मध्ये, लोक साहित्यामध्ये मोती किंवा पर्लचं वर्णन केलेलं आहे. And also subject of one of the most modern sciences, genetic engineering. So credit of the production and development of modern pearl culture goes to Japan. So it starts in 1893 by Kokichi Mikimoto, who is considered as the Pearl King and also called father of pearl culture. So in India, it starts in the 1973 in the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute in Tuticorin. And in the second, pearl oyster or pearl hatchery start in 1981. Then pearl oysters, these are the gregarious and they remain attached to rocks, live or dead corals. Then also other molluscan shells or other hard substances. They remain at a depth of 10 to 12 fathoms. Or these are about 4 to 5 meter depth of the water and 20 kilometers of the shore. Inside the starts from the seashore in the 20 kilometers of the shore. The pearl banks in the Gulf of Mannar are known as pass, and in intertidal beds in the Gulf of Kutch it is called as a khaddas. So types of pearls or pearl oysters. There are first we see pearls, natural pearls. The natural pearls may be formed within the oyster or mussels either by accidental entrance of the solid, for example, foreign particle sand, larvae or crustacean animals. These are enter inside the body in between the mantle fold and shell, and due to this irritation in the cell, mantle cell, then they start secretion around the pearl, and this there is a formation of natural pearl and are very rare and because of their accidental origin. The second type, it is called cultured pearls. Cultured pearls are produced by human interference. When the pearls are produced through process of culture of pearl producing oysters or mussels. Nowadays it is the business pearl culture or pearl hatchery. Then third one is the artificial pearls. These pearls are cheap imitations made up of plastics, glass and also fish scales with an artificial luster. So these are the three types of pearls: natural, cultural and artificial. So pearl producing mollusk, which oyster produces the pearls? The first one is the pearl producing mollusk, in that it is also called bivalve and pearl oyster. So any mollusk which have mother of pearl layer, inner surface of its shell, inside the shell there is a mantle fold. In between this there is a mother layer which producing the pearl, and pearl as a jewel only produced by few species which are listed below. So first one, marine pearls. So marine pearls, first pearl oysters, species of this Pinctada pucata, Pinctada margaritifera, Pinctada maxima are the three prime species of pearl oysters and produce superior quality of pearls. So superior quality pearls are produced by only Pinctada pucata, Pinctada margaritifera and Pinctada maxima. These are the species of pearl oysters produce superior quality of pearls. We see first Pinctada pucata. It is commonly known as Indian pearl oyster. It is formerly known as Pinctada vulgaris in India and Pinctada martensi in Japan. Both these species are now known as Pinctada pucata. And its distributions are in the Indian subcontinent, Japan, and also Persian Gulf. In India, it is found in the Gulf of Kutch, in the Gulf of Mannar, and in the Gulf of Mannar, the natural pearls produced by the oyster, the famous Linga pearl, one of the most and superior quality expensive pearl, it is called as the Linga pearl, and it is formed by the Pinctada pucata, or it is also called Oriental pearls. So this is the diagram. Pinctada pucata, inner side there is a silvery layer, outer there are two, these are the two valves, bivalve. Inner side there is a luster color, there is a lustering color found inside the shell. And this Pinctada pucata, in between inside the shell there is a mantle fold. In between mantle fold and there is a shell, there is a formation of pearl. And the Pinctada pucata, it occurs in the intertidal area, depth of 12 fathoms. And size of this pearl, it is about 9 centimeter. Pearl size, which is about 9 centimeter. And its maximum lifespan, it is about 7 years. So this is the main variety or species which produces expensive pearl. It is called as a Linga pearl. Then next one is the Pinctada margaritifera. So this is the black lip pearl. Pinctada margaritifera. This oyster, it is commonly known as black lip pearl oyster. It has also very wide distribution. In India, these are found, occurs at the intertidal region of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The black lip pearl oyster grows about 17 centimeters in height. Then third species, name of this Pinctada maxima. This oyster is generally known as gold lip or silver lip pearl oyster. It is the largest and best of all the pearl oyster in the world. But its distribution is restricted. It is seen only in the Australia, in Papua New Guinea, China, Philippines, Thailand, Myanmar, Indonesia. It also occurs in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is the Pinctada maxima. Pinctada maxima occurs from the low tide level, about 40 fathoms depth. Species grows about 28.2 centimeters. सगळ्यात मोठी व्हरायटी आहे, मॅक्झिमा नावच दिलेलं आहे बघा, Pinctada maxima, and its length about 28.2 centimeter in diameter, and the pair of shell, it weighs about 5.5 kg 5 किलो वजनाचे हे पिंकटॅडा मॅक्झिमा आहे. यामध्ये मोती कितीचा तयार होत असेल बघा, गोल्फ बॉल आहे ना तेवढा मोती तयार होतो यामध्ये. नेक्स्ट व्हरायटी पिंकटॅडा variety. These are not considered very important for the minor variety. Next one is the Pinctada albina Cercarium. It is present in the Australia. The pearls are produced to have strong iridescence with colors such as light yellow, light brown, light green or light pink. Pinctada albino sugillata. It is found in the India, Gulf of Mannar, Kerala, and Australia. It grows about 11 centimeters. Then Pinctada maculata. It is observed in Australia. Pinctada kemnisi observed in India and Australia. Then Pinctada imbricata. It is also known from Venezuela and Bermudas. Pearls are translucent and also with colors varying among the white, light pink or also yellow. In Indian waters also 2 other species Pinctada are also recorded. Pinctada atropurpurea and Pinctada anemoides. These are also Pinctada species. Then second, pearl oyster. It is winged oyster. And these are rarely produces pearls. Next one, window pane oysters. Name of this window pane oyster, Placenta placenta, commonly known as window pane oyster, produces seed pearls of minute size. छोट्या छोट्या मोती तयार केले, मोत्याच्या माळा असतात की नाही. But these are not considered as a gem. These are used for medicinal purposes. Then sea mussels, for example, freshwater, these are Mytilus. Then Viridis, Pinctada indica, occasionally produce seed pearls which are not considered as a gem, and these are not economically, these are not valued. These are used in the medicinal use. Then giant crab, Tridacna giant crab produces occasionally large sized pearls as big as gold ball. So it is called as a giant crab. Then gastropods, Gastropod Heliotis produces multicolored irregular pearls, especially red and green in color. Then freshwater pearls. Freshwater pearls are produced by freshwater mussels and belonging to the Immunaceae. So some of these notable species, Hyreopsis of Japan, then Cristaria plicata of China, and Lamellidans in India and South Asia. These are also produces pearls. So these are the types of pearls. अलग अलग लक्षात रे. Pearl oysters, समजलं का? हेलो, अरे बोलताय ना? हेलो,
हॅलो मॅम.
हा, समजलं का परत एकदा दाखवूया?
समजलं मॅम.
हा, परत एकदा दाखवायची गरज आहे का? बघा, परत एकदा सांगते पाहिजे तर. कुठले कुठले टाइप्स आहेत त्यावरती तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला जाईल. त्यांना आता एमसीक्यू वरती एक्झाम नाहीये, आता फुल क्वेश्चन वरती आहे.
मॅम ऑफलाईन एक्झाम होणार आहे आता.
हा, होय. कारण आता
ऑफलाईन.
तशा झाले एमएससीच्या पण.
ओके मॅम.
हा, त्यामुळं व्यवस्थित काळजीपूर्वक बघा. हा, टाइप्स ऑफ पर्ल्स किती टाइपचे आहेत? 3 टाइप्स. First type, natural pearls may be formed within the oyster or mussels, either accidental entrance of solid or accidental wound within the shell or muscles or tissue. Pearls are produced are called natural pearls and very rare because of their accidental origin. नॅचरल म्हणजे पाण्याच्या प्रवाहाबरोबर जे जातात आतमध्ये बॉडीमध्ये. कधी कधी क्रुस्टेशियन लार्वी असतात, कधी कधी सँड पार्टिकल्स असतात, किंवा काही जे आत जाईल, किंवा प्लांट्स असतात, ॲक्वॅटिक प्लांट्स आतमध्ये गेल्यानंतर ऑयस्टर शेलच्या आतल्या बाजूला मेंटल फोल्ड असतो, तिथं आत गेल्यानंतर त्याला इरिटेशन होतं. हे बाहेरून आलेलं काय आहे फॉरेन ऑब्जेक्ट, आणि ते इरिटेशन हे करण्यासाठी त्याच्याभोवती लेअर तयार केले जातात, नॅक्रस लेअर, आणि हेच शेवटी तयार काय होतो पर्ल, इरिटेशन प्रिव्हेंट करण्यासाठी. आणि दिस फॉर्मेशन नॅचरल पर्ल मीन्स ऍक्सिडेंटल entrance of the solid particles, soil or sand particles, crustacean larvae or any plant weeds enter in the body, and there is a formation of pearls. It is called as a natural pearls. So then second, cultured pearls. Cultured म्हणजे आता जे आपण पर्ल हॅचरी किंवा पर्ल कल्चर करतोय, केरळ, रामेश्वरम या ठिकाणी केले जाते बघा, त्यामधून जवळजवळ 1 ते 1.5 लाख महिना कमवले जातात. आणि हा एक व्यवसाय होऊन बसलेला आहे. जे मरीन सी रिजनला आहेत, सीशोअर रिजनला, त्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी हा बिझनेस आहे. आणि जे हे केले जातात, जसे आपण पर्ल ॲपिकल्चर वगैरे करतात, तसे हे पण पर्ल कल्चरसाठी ऑयस्टर कल्चर केले जातात. सो दीज आर produced by human interference when the pearls are produced through the process of culture of pearl producing oysters or mussels. Nantar artificial pearls, these are the imitation by the imitation jewelry like using plastic, glass, fish scales with an artificial luster. Then who produces this pearl? By the mollusk, name of this mollusk, it is called as a bivalve. This bivalve, inside this bivalve there is a pearl producing layer. It is called as the mother of pearl, inner surface of the shell, and it produces pearl, and it is a jewel only produced by the some species or few species, not all species. In that marine, first one is the marine pearls. Marine pearls, name of this Pinctada fucata, Pinctada margaritifera, Pinctada maxima are the 3 prime species of pearl oysters, and then they produces superior quality of pearls. Then first one is the, in that species, Pinctada fucata. It is commonly known as Indian pearl oyster. It was formerly known Pinctada vulgaris in India and martensi in Japan. Both these species are now known as Pinctada fucata. It is found Indian subcontinent and Japan and Persian Gulf. In India, it occurs in the Gulf of Kutch or coast of Gujarat, in the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, and in the Gulf. Natural pearls produced by this oyster, where these are the लिंगा. लिंगा ह्यातले एक टाइप आहे बघा, सीड पर्ल, लिंगा पर्ल, बॅरॅक पर्ल. त्यातला सगळ्यात सुपिरियर क्वालिटीचा आहे तो लिंगा पर्ल. त्याची चकाकी वगैरे वेगळी असते आणि म्हणजे ओळखतात लगेच. 3 वर्षाच्या वर जर असेल तर 3 वर्षातच हे पर्ल तयार होतात. 3 वर्षाच्या वर असेल तर कॅल्शियम डिपॉझिशन जास्त होऊन पर्ल एवढे चांगले दिसत नाही. Then Pinctada fucata occurs in the intertidal area to depth of 12 fathoms. Fathoms म्हणजे पाण्याची हे मोजण्याची युनिट आहे. डेप्थ 1 fathom is 1.8 मीटर. याची ग्रोथ किती होते पिंकटाडा फुकॅटाची 9 सेंटीमीटर वर त्याच्यात दाखवलेले बघा चित्र दाखवलेले आहे. आतल्या बाजूला शायनिंग दिसते का त्यामध्ये. नंतर मॅक्झिमम लाईफ स्पॅन इट इज अबाउट 7 years. दुसरी स्पेसिस आहे ती मार्गारिटीफेरा. यामध्ये पिंटाडा मॅक्झिमा. The oyster is generally known as gold leaf or silver leaf pearl oyster. It is the largest and best of all the pearl oysters in the world. Its distribution is restricted. It is seen in the Australia, New Guinea, China, Philippines, Thailand, Myanmar, Indonesia. It also occurs in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is the Margaritifera. So this is Pinctada maxima. So it is occurs from the low tide level to about 40 fathoms depth. The species grows about 28.2 centimeter in diameter of the pair of shell, and weight it is about 5.5 kilogram. Then minor Pinctada species. Pinctada species, these are not considered very important as far as pearl production concerned. Pearls are occasionally produced by the oyster, which are following pearls. Pinctada albina. So this is the species found in the Australia. Pearls produce have strong iridescence with colors such as light yellow, light brown, light green or light pink. अरे कोणीतरी स्क्रीनशॉट घेते का? ऐकायला येते का? स्क्रीनशॉट घेताय का?
हॅलो मॅम.
हा
ह्याचा का पीपीटीचा
आता जे मी समोर दाखवले पिंटाडा हे स्पेसिस दाखवले ना रेडिएट, त्याचा एखादा घेऊन ठेवा.
घेतला.
तर पिंटाडा अल्बिनो इट इज ऑल्सो फाउंड इन दी. आता पिंटाडा अल्बिना आहेत यापासून होणारे पर्ल कसे आहेत? लाईट येलो, लाईट ब्राऊन, देन लाईट ग्रीन अँड लाईट पिंक. देन पिंटाडा अल्बिनो it is found in the India and Australia. It grows about 11 centimeter. Next variety Pinctada maculata. It is found in Australia. Pinctada kemnitzi observed in India and Australia. Pinctada imbricata. It is known from Venezuela and Bermuda. The pearls of this Pinctada imbricata is translucent and also colors varying among white, light pink or yellow. In Indian waters, other two species Pinctada are Atropurpurea and Pinctada anemoides. So these are also species. Then winged oysters rarely produces pearls. Then window span oysters, name of this placenta, commonly known as window span oyster, produces seed pearls. बारीक बारीक जे असतात मोती, minute size. They are not considered as a gems but used for medicinal purposes. Next one, sea mussels, Mytilus. Then Pinctada indica. They occasionally produce, not regularly, occasionally produce seed pearls which are not considered as a gem. The giant crab. So Tridacna, the giant crab, produces occasionally large sized pearls as big as golf ball. गोल्फ खेळात जो बॉल वापरला जातो तेवढा पर्ल तयार केला जातो, याला म्हणतात जायंट क्लॅम. देन गॅस्ट्रोपॉड्स, हेलिओटिस स्पेसीज produces multicolored irregular pearls, especially red and green in color. Then freshwater pearls are produced freshwater mussels belonging Minion Sea. Some of the species Hyriopsis, then Cristaria, These also species produces pearls. So these are the then pearl producing, the economic importance of the pearls. Now we see these are the factors responsible for the production of the colored pearls. Depth of the oyster culture, light penetration is related with the luster and color of the pearls. The luster increases with the increase of rearing period of pearl oysters. A relation exists between color and cut pieces of the pallium of the donor. जर आपल्याला पर्ल कल्चर करायचं असेल तर दुसरा एक डोनरचे त्याचे शेलचे कवरिंगचे शेलचं कटिंग त्या सीड म्हणून टाकलं जातं आणि त्याच्यावरती समजा स्मॉल असेल तर जास्त वेळ कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट डिपॉझिशनला लागतं आणि समजा थोडा मोठा असेल तर लगेच 3 वर्षात हा पर्ल तयार होतो. म्हणून त्याचे साईज पण cut size of the pallium of the donor and color and luster of the pearls. Nantar availability of quality of food phytoplankton content is distinct effect on the color and luster of the pearls by its role of energy and supply. Amount of trace element present in the influences the color of pearls. आता यामध्ये काय काय असते? Good quality pearls, these are determined by the luster and colors, and it is color of the pearl is related to the metallic elements present in the oysters. आता यामध्ये काय काय असते? Silver, copper, sodium and zinc, these are found in the pearls. It's a natural pearls. त्यात आपण आता फक्त हे घेऊया, हे तयार कसं केलं जाते ते उद्या सांगतील तुम्हाला. नॅचरल पर्ल्स इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टन्स फक्त आता घेते मी, काय काय इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे तेवढे. तिथे एक हे घ्या, नॅक्रे. नॅक्रे मीन्स लेअर सिक्रिशन, पर्ल सिक्रिशन. इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए नॅक्रे. आता इथं बघा, युजेस ऑफ पर्ल्स किंवा इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ पर्ल्स. यूज एज ए ऑर्नामेंट, हे सगळ्यांना माहितीच आहे. आणि सिम्बॉल ऑफ ग्रँड्युअर. ग्रँड्युअर म्हणजे संपत्ती किंवा वैभव, श्रीमंतीचं लक्षण. यूज ॲज ऑर्नामेंट, दागिन्यामध्ये आपण वापरतो, अंगठीत मोत्याच्या माळा वगैरे आपण वापरत असतो. नंतर यूज इन ऑर्नामेंटल हँडीक्राफ्ट. परत तिसरा इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, इट इज व्हेरी प्रिसियस मेडिसिन फॉर सर्जरी, फॉर पेडियाट्रिक्स, लहान मुलांसाठी, ENT, used by the Chinese. Pearl चे बाय प्रोडक्ट्स बघा. बाय प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ पर्ल कल्चर refer to the total mass of the oyster after extraction of the cultured pearls. Byproducts of pearl cultures are seed pearls, shell and flesh. So tiny seed pearls, these are used for the preparation of medicine, औषधासाठी. नंतर इन इंडिया पर्ल पावडर आयुर्वेदामध्ये वापरले जातात. पर्ल लिक्विड, इम्पॉर्टंट इन्ग्रेडियंट्स दिस आर, आता यामध्ये दिलेले बघा, मेडिसिनल व्हॅल्यू, लक्सेटिव्ह, सिडेटिव्ह, सेक्शुअल बिहेवियर चेंज करण्यासाठी पण लक्सेटिव्ह वापरले जाते, एमेटिक, न्यूट्रिटिव्ह. सो दीज आर दी पर्ल पावडर्स आर ऑल्सो ऍक्ट्स एज ए एंटासिड अँड यूज्ड इन हार्ट बर्न, जळजळ वगैरे त्याच्यासाठी वापरले जातात. In case of class C category pearls, these are not used in the jewelry. The nacreous layer is removed from the nuclei and ground into the powder. It is then dissolved in phosphoric acid. The final product is the pearl calcium tablet. It is formed by additional chemical process. The pearl calcium tablet, these are called and marketed in Japan for pregnancies, weak bodies, tooth cavities, stomach acids, and also allergies. Then large oyster shells for their mother of pearls are used in shell craft. Small and broken shells are ground and used as ingredients in the poultry feed. Big pointed beak करण्यासाठी shell वापरली जाते. Then adductor muscle portion of flesh of oyster is used for human consumption. After removal of the pearl, entrails म्हणजे जे बॉडी आतमधले आहे डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम वगैरे काय काय जे आहे, these are used for the feeding fishes. So these are the economic important. परत एकदा सांगते बघा, इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टंट ह्याच्यावरती विचारले जातात क्वेश्चन्स. Pearl, पहिला uses of pearls. Pearls used as ornament and symbol of grandeur, म्हणजे श्रीमंतीचं लक्षण. Used in ornamental handicraft. नंतर very precise medicine. These are the, it is very precious medicine for surgery, pediatrics लहान मुलांसाठी, ENT, and used by the Chinese. Then the byproducts of this, the byproduct pearl culture refer to total mass of the oyster after extraction of the cultured pearl. These are the seed pearls, are shell and flesh. So tiny seed pearls unsuitable as a gem used in the preparation of medicine. In India, pearl powder, pearl liquid, सुवर्ण प्राशन करतं तसं इथं पण पर्लचं हे बघा लिक्विड. आता पहिल्यांदा पर्ल पावडर इज हायली स्टिम्युलंट टॉनिक अँड ॲफ्रोडिसियॅक. ॲफ्रोडिसियॅक म्हणजे सेक्सुअल बिहेवियर, चेंज इन सेक्सुअल बिहेवियर. अदर मेडिसिनल व्हॅल्यूज लक्सेटिव्ह, रेचक, सेडेटिव्ह, औषध म्हणून वापरतात, आणि इमेटिक म्हणजे ORS सारखं, आणि न्यूट्रिटिव्ह. Pearl powders acts as the antacid. It is used in the heartburn, वगैरे होतात, bilious affections. नंतर in case of class C category of pearls not used in jewelry, the nacreous layer is removed from the nuclei and ground it into the powder, dissolved in the phosphoric acid. The final product, it is called as a calcium tablet, and it is formed by additional chemical processes. This pearl calcium tablet, these are used by in Japan, marketed in Japan for the pregnant woman, then weak bodies person, tooth cavities, stomach acids and allergies. Then large oyster shells for their mother of pearl layers are used in the shell craft. Oyster shell जे वरचं कठीण कवच असतं त्याचे शेप मध्ये गोल गोल करतात आणि ते सीड म्हणून डोनेट करतात, दुसऱ्या पर्ल ऑयस्टरला देतात. सो स्मॉल अँड ब्रोकन शेल्स आर युज्ड इन पोल्ट्री फीड. Then adductor muscles, these are flesh of oyster is used for human consumption. Then entrails, so the digestive system, then also gills, these are also used for feeding the fishes. So this is the economic importance of the pearl. So now this is the oyster, Pinctada margaritifera. Lines of growth, then projection, umbo, anterior. One part of this oyster attached to the any hard rock or hard substances, and this is the pearl oyster. Name of this Pinctada margaritifera. Name of this important pearl of producing oysters: Pinctada plicata, Pinctada chemnitzi, Pinctada margaritifera, Pinctada anamdae, Pinctada atra purpurea. हे सगळे भारतात तयार होणारे पर्ल तयार होणारे ह्या स्पेसिस आहे. समजलं का? हॅलो हॅलो, अरे समजलं का? हा
हो मॅम, समजलं.
हा, आता ह्यातले आजचं इम्पॉर्टंट काय झालं, पर्ल ऑयस्टरच्या टाइप्स आणि इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टंट हे आज आता आपण घेतलेलं आहे. आता नंतर नॅचरल प्रोसेस अँड आर्टिफिशियल प्रोसेस पर्ल तयार करण्याचे काय आहे ते आता नंतरच्या लेक्चरला आपण बघूया.
मॅम आता जेवढं शिकवलं त्याचे नोट्स सेंड करा ना ग्रुपला.
तर एकदमच ते पीडीएफ देते ना तुम्हाला.
बर चालेल.
हा म्हणजे हे युनिट कम्प्लीट झाले की सगळं देऊन टाकते.
हो ठीक आहे.
हा हे
थँक्यू
लक्षात
मॅम.
ठेवा. हा चालतंय आता. बर मी आता थांबू का?
येस मॅम.
हा हे काढले का स्क्रीनशॉट?
हो मॅम फक्त 5च जण आहेत. 5
होय
का
का?
6. हो.
एवढेच कसे काय मग?
काय माहित बाकी कुठे गेलेत.
म्हणजे तुम्हाला आता इथून असं वाटायला लागले की इथून पुढे तुम्हाला हे द्यायलाच नको आहे, पीपीटी टाकायला नको आहे, बोलतच राहायचं. आता इथून पुढे मी तसंच करणार आहे. पीपीटी सोपं जावं म्हणून तुम्हाला आम्ही पीपीटी देतोय, तर त्याचा गैरफायदा करतायत. पीपीटी समोर आली की मी निघून जाताय. याला काय अर्थ आहे का सांगू बरं? आता इथून पुढे मी नाही आता पीपीटी यूज करणार नाही, नुसतं बोलत राहणार. चालते. आताच काय असेल ते प्रेझेंटीचं हे कर.
हा मॅम तुम्हाला सेंड करते स्क्रीनशॉट.
हा चालते.
ठीक आहे. थँक्यू. गुड डे.
वेलकम वेलकम.